I tried making $1,400 simply by copying and pasting articles on Google News. And guess what, guys? I'm so excited to share with you how much I actually made trying out this side hustle, following the step-by-step process by this YouTuber, Mr. Riz.
Today, I'm going to show you how you can earn up to $1,400 every single day. And the method that I'm going to teach you today requires no selling, no prior experience, or even affiliate marketing. All you have to do is literally copy and paste some text.
In this video, we'll be looking out for 3 things. First is a step-by-step guide on how to make $1,400 in 10 minutes. Secondly is how much I actually made after trying out this side hustle. Then the third thing is my honest review about this side hustle. So if you don't want to miss out, keep watching this video to the very end so you will know whether this side hustle is working or it's worth your time. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Hadiza, and if you are new here, thanks for stopping by, and don't make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button and turning on the notification bell so you won't miss out each time I post videos like this. On this channel, I talk about personal finance and how to make money both online and offline, and I'm currently running the I Tried It series where I go online, do research on the most talked about method of making money online, and I come over here to share with you what works and what does not work, thereby saving you your stress, energy, and time, and letting you know some of the method your favorite YouTubers are sharing with you on how to make money online is not worth trying. So if this sounds like what you'll be interested in, like this video, then click on the subscribe button and comment below I have subscribed so I could give you a virtual welcome hug. So I'll be giving you 1 second to tap on the subscribe button. Thank you for subscribing. So let's dive right into the video. The first thing he asks us to do is to go to Google.
Now, first off, let's start here at the Google homepage so I can teach you how you can get paid repeatedly. Let me start by mentioning that this method is completely free. And
so I'm going to go over to Google now and type in Google News. So I went over to Google and I typed in googlenews.com, and he said we should select the first one that says Google News. So this is it. We are on Google News. This brings us to the official Google News homepage where we'll see different kinds of news ranging from local news to business news, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. So according to him, he said we should go with health, which I selected health, and then I scroll down to select which article I would want to work with. So after going through the articles, I picked this particular article. After picking this article, I scrolled down to go through the article to read the content of the article. After going through the article, I went back to the beginning of the article and I copied the entire article, because that is what he asked us to do, that we should copy the entire article. So I copied the entire article and then I saved it in my notepad, because he said we should save it in Google Doc. Since I'm working with my phone, I decided to save it in my notepad. So I went ahead and saved in my notepad. So after saving this article in my notepad, he also asked that we go to another website where we are going to paraphrase this article and change it to entirely new article. And the name of the website is called spinbots.com.
So I went to Google and I typed in spinbots.com and I selected the first one according to him. I selected the first one and I'm required to paste my text here, my article here. So it will paraphrase the article for me and it will paraphrase the article for me into a brand new article to avoid plagiarism and copyright issues. Although I did not do any work, I have gotten a brand new article written and paraphrased for me by this spinbots.com. After paraphrasing my article, we'll copy the entire article and then go over to another website again and that's where we are going to make money with this article. And the name of the website is called eatingwell.com. So I went over to eatingwell.com and then I went over to eatingwell.com. I scrolled down. After scrolling down to look for where to paste my article, I couldn't find where I could paste my article, but I kept searching. I went to the About Us page, and I scrolled down. Still, I couldn't find where to paste the article. This is a whole lot of money we are talking about, $1,400, and I could not find where to paste this article. Guys, I was already getting worried. Then I finally figured out, I tapped on the Contact Us button. I found this couple of emails. So I kept searching until I figured it out. So here it is. Are you ready to submit your articles and ideas to Eating Well magazines? Send your pitch to pitches@eatingwell.com. After seeing this, I was so excited and I went over to my email and I typed in the email that I'm supposed to send the article to, pitches@eatingwell.com. After typing the email address, I went ahead to write exactly in his words what he asked us to write to this email. He's actually, in his words, he said we should type in have an article I have an article that I want to send to you guys. That's exactly what he said we should type. So I went ahead and I typed that. And then he said after typing it, we'll go down and then paste our article. So I went down after typing the message and I now pasted my article. After sending my article to these people, I could not get any feedback. There was no response. I waited and no response from them. So after wasting all my effort, my energy to make $1,400 in 10 minutes, it ended up not being fruitful. So that is it for this video. If you want to see more of this kind of video, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video.